guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today we will see unboxing and review of this classic fitted bed sheet set. It is having one king size sheet and two pieces pillow cover, and it is having breathable fabric. So purchase this from Noon for 30 dirhams. It is having 117 GSM of cotton quality. It is 100% cotton and it is made in India product. So let's see and have a review on this bed sheet set. So the quality of uh, co- material is nice, and it is having this rubber elastic on the side so that it can be easily fitted on the mattress. And these are two pillow covers. So designing is nice, and overall cloth quality is also nice for this bed sheet set.